Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good day viewers, welcome back to Rock Math class. In this tutorial, apply ratio test to test for convergence of or otherwise of this series. We have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 square times 2 plus 1 over 2 cube times 3 plus 1 over 2 raised power of 4 times 4 plus till we have our n term. Now, if you can recall that the limit of n approach infinity of an plus 1 over an. Now, our last tutorial we talked about this. If it's less than 1, it's what? The series converge. And if it's greater than 1, the series diverge. Now, let us move now. This is what I have. Then first of all, you have to figure out your what? Your an. This term as my what? An. My an is equal to, I have 1 over 2 raised power of n times what? N. Whereby my an plus 1. Whenever I see n, I have to replace by what? N plus 1. I have 1 over 2 n plus 1 times what? N plus 1. This is what you have. Now, let's apply our what? Let's put everything into this formula, which is the limit of n approach infinity of what? An plus 1 over an. This is same thing as the limit of n approach infinity. An plus 1 is same thing as 1 all over 2 n plus 1 to look at what? N plus 1. Then divide by an. Our an is given as 1 over 2n 2 raised power of n times what? N, the absolute. Now, this can be solved out as the limit of n approach infinity, and it's going to what? Reciprocate and return the times 2n plus 1 n plus 1 times 2n over 1. So this is what I have. From here, this is same thing as the limit as n approach infinity. 1 times same thing that is here, I'm going to have 2n into the bracket of n. All over 1 times this, I have 2 raised power of n plus 1 into the bracket of n plus 1 to the absolute. And from the law of indices, this my denominator, I can break it down as the limit of n approach infinity 2 raised power of n to the bracket of what? N. Then I have 2 raised power of n times 2 n plus 1. This is it. From this part, this guy killed this guy. So I have the limit of what? N approach infinity, the absolute of n over 2 into the bracket of n plus 1. This can be written as the limit of n approach infinity. I have 1 over 2 n over n plus 1. This same thing. So I can factor out this my 1 over 2, which are 1 over 2. Then the limit n approach infinity, the absolute of n over n plus 1. By applying my limit to this my absolute, so by applying the limit of what? N approach infinity to this, we are going to have what? 1. So therefore 1 over 2, all this after applying my limit is same thing as what? 1. So 1 over 2 times 1 is same thing as 1 over 2. Since the limit of this, the limit of an plus 1 over an is less than 1. So the series what? Converge. Therefore, the series converge. It converges to what? 1. It converges to 1 over 2, which is less than what? 1. So we can see that by using this ratio test, we can say that this our series converge to what? 1 over 2. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos on plate analysis, and also follow me on my Facebook page Rock Mathematics class for more exact video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.